Learning English is an exciting journey, and YouTube is the best platform for you to learn English language. Sometimes I wonder, and I guess that YouTube is designed for English learners to enhance their English skills because there are easy to understand methods, and the best quality is that you can pause, you can stop, you can rewind English videos as many times as you can. And the best part is that it provides you different teachers with different methodology, and if you don't understand one teacher and his methodology, you can switch over to another video with another teacher. In this way you can learn English language anytime, anywhere. You are not bound to time, you are not bound to any physical situation, any physical class. It's up to you, it's up to your choice to select the time, to select the teacher, to select the methodology. You are free in the choice of selecting the methodology, in the selection of teacher. So I regard YouTube channel as the best platform, but there is one problem. There is so much content out there, and we have to be very selective because we waste so much our time in selecting the best YouTube channel. I recommend you 3 best YouTube channel to learn English language, to enhance your English learning skills. And the best is that because grammar is the basic foundation, you have to learn grammar at first. So the best YouTube channel which I have selected here, and why I have selected here, is that TED YouTube channel. Yes, TED YouTube channel. It teaches you grammar with videos, with animated videos. Have you ever listened a grammar channel with the animated videos? And the best part is that these videos are featured by English narrator. You are provided with the facility of animated videos by an English speaker, and you are enhancing your pronunciation, your tone, your each and every aspect of English language. TED YouTube channel is also best for those who want to enhance and who want to make their writing skills better, and English learners can see and hear the authentic speech patterns. Second YouTube channel which I recommend here is that Easy English channel. Yes, dear audience, Easy English channel is the best YouTube channel because it covers the wide range of conversations, and these are so engaging that you can't skip even the one clip of their videos. And so try factoring at least one video in alongside your usual English learning, and you will see the tremendous change in improvement of your English language. The third best YouTube channel which I have selected is Lavendier. Why I have selected this channel? Because apart from learning English language, which we have to adopt, the channel is that about self-development, about self-love, about affirmation, self-development. And this channel is the best channel for those who want to, who are very curious and who want to have a deep love for vibrant, for brilliant life, and they believe in themselves. And this channel is best for healing, for self-development. And this channel is the best channel to learn English language, apart from having positive affirmations in your life and have positivity in your life. So try using these YouTube channels. And these YouTube channel, the first YouTube channel is to enhance your basic grammar. The second YouTube channel is to give you variety of content, to variety of topics to talk about. And the third YouTube channel is to have positive affirmation, have positivity in yourself, self-development, self-love, healing, and you should not be pessimistic. So try watching these channels, and I hope that these channels will enhance your life and your life skills as well as your English learning skills. So what kind of content would you find in this video? Let me know in the comment section. And are you watching these videos or this is the first time you have listened about these videos? Let me know in the comment sections. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.